is Hokkien chicken noodles. Hey Billy, come check this out.
What's up?
Have you heard of Oodee meals?
No.
Freshly prepared meals, quality, it's easy, 10 minutes.
We're stuck in self-isolation. We're hungry, we wanted to know what to eat. We've ordered our favourite Oodee deliveries. We're about to cook up a storm. Stay tuned. What I love about Oodee is that it's freshly prepared meals delivered to your door, cooked within 10 minutes.
Today we're cooking a chicken stir fry with Hokkien noodles with fresh vegetables, ginger, garlic and oyster sauce.
Ready in 10 minutes, Oodee offers an easy to follow recipe. Freshly prepared ingredients, washed, cut, portioned for your convenience.
And that's a wrap. We've just cooked our Oodee chicken stir fry with Hokkien noodles. Absolutely delicious.
We've finished off with our waffles with Nutella sauce, fresh strawberries, some Belgium ice cream, just to hit and ooze the palate. We're hungry, we wanted to know what to eat. What are you laughing at?
What the hell? What is it there?
Not bad for the first attempt. Look at this drizzle. Ready? Look at this drizzle, baby.
Okay, cut it.